In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Shopify themes. Navigating the world of e-commerce can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to customizing your online store. That's why choosing the right theme for your Shopify store is crucial. It not only affects your site's appearance, but also its functionality and ultimately the customer experience. Today, I'll guide you through the process of purchasing a theme for your Shopify store, ensuring it aligns with your brand and meets your business needs. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. The journey starts here, where you'll find yourself on the homepage of this popular e-commerce platform. If you're not already logged in, you'll see an option to do so. Click on the Login button. This step is your gateway to accessing the wealth of features Shopify has to offer, including its extensive theme store. After clicking Login, you'll need to enter your store's details. This could include your Shopify store name or the email associated with your account. It's important to have this information handy to avoid any hiccups during the login process. Accurate details will ensure a smooth entry into your Shopify dashboard, which is the control center for your online store. Once you've provided your store's credentials, you'll come across the option to continue with email. Clicking this allows you to proceed with the email linked to your Shopify account. It's one of several methods Shopify offers to authenticate your access, prioritizing both convenience and security. As a part of this process, you might be prompted to choose an account, especially if you have multiple accounts or use a shared device. This step ensures that you're logging into the correct account, helping to protect your store's data and personal information. Select the account associated with your Shopify store to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From managing products and orders to analyzing sales. The dashboard is intuitively designed, offering a snapshot of your store's performance at a glance. Your next step is to click on Online Store. This menu is found within the Shopify admin and serves as the gateway to all things related to your store's appearance, including themes, blogs, and pages. After selecting Online Store, you're ready to dive into the Shopify theme store. Look for the option labeled Visit Theme Store and click on it. The theme store is home to hundreds of beautifully designed themes, each crafted to meet specific business needs and industry standards. From minimalistic designs for boutique stores to feature-rich themes for large catalogs, there's something for everyone. Once you're in the theme store, you might notice the option to filter themes by price, specifically free and paid themes. Starting with free themes is a good idea, especially if you're new to e-commerce or operating on a tight budget. These themes offer a solid foundation for your online store without the upfront investment. However, if you're looking for something more unique or need advanced features, clicking on Paid will reveal a selection of premium themes. While these come with a price tag, they often include additional customization options, better support, and unique features that can set your store apart from the competition. When selecting a theme, consider how well it aligns with your brand identity and the functionality you need. Take advantage of the preview feature to see the theme in action, and don't hesitate to read reviews and ratings from other store owners. Their insights can be invaluable in making an informed decision. Purchasing a theme on Shopify is straightforward. Once you've found the perfect theme, it usually involves clicking the Buy or Add button, confirming your selection, and proceeding with the payment. After purchase, the theme will be added to your Shopify account, ready for customization and installation. In conclusion, selecting and purchasing a theme for your Shopify store is a critical step in defining your online presence. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a compelling and functional online store that not only attracts customers but also offers them a seamless shopping experience. Remember, the right theme not only represents your brand visually, but also plays a key role in your store's success. Take your time, explore your options, and choose a theme that truly represents your business and meets your operational needs. Happy theme hunting!